Welcome doc, contract, calendar invite, CRM RAW. One free form just onboarded a client in 17 seconds, typing included. I also timed doing it by hand. Here's the build. First, the honest baseline. Same client, by hand, stopwatch running. And I gave the manual side every advantage. Templates ready, find and replace, 0 interruptions. Type the welcome doc, fill the contract, handwrite the calendar invite, add the CRM RAW, work out the checklist dates. 2 minutes 58. That's the fast version of manual. And it still needs me for every single client. The client data here is fictional, like every demo on this channel. The plan. One intake form the client fills, and plain code writes everything else. A client folder, a welcome doc, a contract from a template, a real calendar invite, a CRM RAW, and a task checklist with dates. No SaaS, no AI, self-hosted n8n. Running cost? 0. The form first. 6 fields: company, contact, email, a project dropdown, a date picker for kickoff, and 1 long text field. The client's main goal, in their own words. n8n hosts this form for us on a real URL. No code so far. Now 5 small code nodes, 1 per artifact. Node 1 makes the client folder and fills the welcome template. Node 2, the contract, with a big sample ribbon because demo contracts should look like demos. Node 3 hand builds the calendar invite file. Node 4 appends 1 row to a CSV. That's the whole CRM. Node 5 computes day 1, day 3, and day 7 from the kickoff date and writes the checklist. Every node is under 20 lines, and they just pass 1 item down the chain. A static confirmation page on the end, and publish. 2 minutes 35. Blank canvas to a live intake form on a production URL. Client 1, leave. Maple Street Studio fills the form. Real typing, no cuts. Submit. 17 seconds on the clock. Form open to files on disk. And n8n's own log says the run itself took 2 milliseconds. What actually landed on disk? The folder, the welcome doc, with the client's own goal quoted back at them. The contract, sample ribbon and all. A calendar invite that imports anywhere. The CRM RAW. And the checklist with real dates. 5 files and a row from 1 submit. Client 2, Acme/West Coast Consulting. See the slash in the company name? Submit works, the confirmation looks fine. And here's the honest part. That slash is a path separator. The folder tree now says Acme, containing West Coast Consulting. The files landed in the wrong place, silently, and nothing errored. The fix is 1 line. Build a slug, lowercase, letters and numbers only, and use that as the folder name. Republish, run client 2 again. And it lands exactly where it should. 1 more receipt. The broken run had already written its CRM RAW, so the file now holds a duplicate. Rerunning a workflow reappends. Idempotency is your job, not n8n's. Client 3, clean. 3 clients, 4 CRM rows. The duplicate stays in the shot because that's what actually happened. And the execution log. Every run green, every run in milliseconds. The numbers, all measured on camera today. By hand, with every advantage. 2:58 per client. Through the form, 17 seconds, including the typing. And the machine part is 2 milliseconds. The build itself, 2:35. Running cost, 0. 10 clients a month is half an hour of your attention by hand. Or none, because the client fills the form. The honest part, on top of the bug you already watched. This is localhost. Clients can't reach the form until you put it behind a domain. Nothing emails anyone. The invite and the welcome doc are files. Sending them is another node we didn't build. And that 2:58 baseline is the fast manual. Templates ready, no interruptions. Real manual onboarding, with the tab switching and the wait, what did they say in that email? You know it's worse. We measured the version that's hardest to beat, and the form still won 10-1. Everything from this build, the files, the numbers, the parts that fought back, is linked below. Build it, break it, make it yours, and it ships itself. See you in the next one.